Hello, my name is Rizwan. Today I will be doing a tutorial on how to calculate the properties of a sphere using Python. This program will calculate the diameter, the circumference, the surface area, and the volume of a sphere using the radius as input. So this first line here, we have a variable assignment statement, and we could see just by the first few digits this is the value of pi. So basically I searched up pi on Google and this is the value that I got. So this is the approximation that we'll use. We can obviously put more digits, but that will take forever. The next line is the input statement, and it's also a variable assignment statement. So this is an integer value, and then it's asking the user to enter the radius of the sphere. So that would be like 5, 7, or 9. So the next statement, we are assigning a value to the diameter variable. And then we have radius using and then multiplying by 2 using the star operator, which is the multiplication operator. And this is where I got the formula. The next one is the circumference, which is 2 times pi, which is our variable here, and then radius, which we got the input. We're using the star operator in between. The next line is the surface area. We're using 4 times pi times parentheses because we want this to be calculated first. Radius to the power of 2. So this double star here is basically exponentiation, which is one of the operators. And then the next line here is the volume. We have 4 divided by 3 in parentheses times pi times radius exponentiating to the power of 3. And then we are printing all of this on the screen in a nice way. So we have diameter, colon, and then we have this is string concatenation. We're using the addition operator because it's inside the print function. And then we're using the str for the diameter because this is a integer, so we cannot just put it like we usually do. And then add another string which says units. The next one is circumference, again using the string str function to turn it into a string, and then units. Surface area, str, the variable, and then this one is square units because it's area. And then we have we're printing volume on the screen, again str, volume variable, and then this one is cubic units because it's volume. We will now move on to the testing of the program. So now it will we are getting asked the radius of the sphere, which is, I will just put 9. As you can see, it has calculated all of our necessary things: the diameter, the circumference, the surface area, and the volume.